Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how I have made a Streamdeck. So what I have here is my microcontroller, which is 18F2550. Now let me just reset and upload the new bootloader. So I'll show you, this is my bootloader. And click on burn the hex, loading that. So I have another program running in the background, so I call that just a Python script, Streamdeck py. So this is the one that will detect where my USB device is. This is the vendor ID, and that's the product ID, and a bunch of mapping of the buttons. So as you can see, I have 4 buttons earlier. I only map the 2 buttons, which is Shift Command 1 and Shift Command 2. The order doesn't really matter. Now if I execute the program in this window here, as you can see, it found my device. Now if I press the button, so that's button 2, this is button 1. Now how do I map that to my OBS? So let's jump into OBS. This is my OBS setting, hotkeys. Now I got a couple of different scene here. So if I scroll to scene, the first scene, which is that. So if I press on my button 1, it should detect my key there. Command Shift 1, and then the second one is second monitor only. So if I reset that, press the button number 2, so that should be there, and I click OK. Now if I press number 1, number 2, number 1, number 2. So thank you for watching. I hope you like that. Full source code on the description.